Wera has had a strong presence in the tool industry since 1936, earning a reputation for thoughtful, well-engineered tools. They're not just about making tools that look good, they focus on solving real-world problems. And today, we're covering some of the latest tools, but make sure to watch till the end because we also have a few hidden gems that don't get as much attention as they deserve. All the mentioned products links are in the description below. Number 20. Tool Check Modular Set. It started as a simple idea: stop carrying more than you need. This modular kit lets you grab what the job calls for and leave the rest behind. Drivers, sockets, bits. The modular holders click in and out without a fight, so you're not wrestling with your tools when you should be wrestling with the problem. The color coding and labeling are a quiet little win too. At the end of a long day, the case is still tidy. Throw it in with the rest of your gear and it fits right in with other accessory systems. Number 19. Torque wrench. While this moves slightly beyond the typical electrical tasks, it's still something many electricians deal with. The core tool, the Click Torque X7, covers a working range from 10 to 100 Newton meters with great accuracy. A handy QR code on the wrench allows you to scan it and instantly calculate the correct torque setting based on the insert tool's length, eliminating the risk of manual errors. The kit also includes 3 self-adjusting Joker insert wrenches that fit sizes from 16 to 32 millimeters, automatically gripping the nut and smoothly ratcheting with a 30-degree return angle. While it's not VDE insulated, this set is incredibly useful for electricians working alongside HVAC installations. Number 18. WERA Joker 6007. These wrenches run longer than standard, giving you real reach deep into frames and tight mounting channels, without wrecking your wrist. The open jaw end grips the nut with hardened teeth, holding it firmly so nothing drops when you're working overhead or inside cramped enclosures. Flip to the other end and you've got an 80-tooth ring ratchet with an almost invisible return angle when clearance is barely there. The double hex jaw design means less flipping, less frustration, more momentum on the job. Number 17. WERA Belt B VDE. It comes with 10 insulated bit sockets neatly arranged on a compact textile belt that can easily clip on, hang, or mount wherever you need it. Each socket fits a 3/8-inch drive and is tested to withstand up to 10,000 volts with a safe rating of 1,000 volts. The red outer layer and yellow core make it simple to spot any damage. The clever retention system with torque sockets that hold fasteners securely and hex sockets with a spring-loaded ball. The belt rotates smoothly and detaches easily, helping electricians save time and prevent dropped parts. Number 16. Turbo screwdriver. Now we're looking at the WERA 4-in-1 turbo screwdriver, a unique tool that combines standard screwdriving with a turbo mode for faster results. The handle design is pretty unique. At first glance it might look awkward, but it actually gives a really solid grip. When you turn the handle one full rotation, the bit turns 4 times. This makes it super fast, especially for long screws. Overall, this turbo screwdriver works great and is definitely a handy tool to add to your collection. Number 15. Kraftform Kompakt Stubby. This is a super compact screwdriver built for tight spots and everyday use. With an overall length of just about 65 millimeters, it feels more like a mini tool than a full-size driver. The handle hides 6 premium bits in a captive swiveling magazine for easy access and secure storage, and the Take It Easy color coding makes finding the right bit quick and simple. The included bitorsion bits are designed to handle high load peaks without twisting, which helps them last longer and makes the whole setup more reliable. Number 14. Joker double open end spanner. If you've ever struggled with tight spaces or stubborn bolts, the adjustable Joker 6004 is here to make your life a whole lot easier. This tool covers both metric and imperial sizes, which makes it super versatile for all kinds of projects. It automatically grips hex screws and bolts, so you won't have to worry about slipping or damaging anything. The ratchet function is a game changer. No need to remove the wrench to keep working, and with a return angle of just 30 degrees, it's a great solution or those tricky spots. Number 13. Kraftform Kompakt VDE 17. It's basically made for electricians, and it's all about safety and convenience. Fully VDE certified for up to 1,000 volts, so you're good to go when working on live systems. It's got a bunch of insulated bits packed into a super comfy ergonomic handle. The handle makes it easy on your hands, especially during long jobs, and the bits stay securely in place. No need to carry a whole bunch of screwdrivers around. Number 12. WERA Kraftform Kompakt 900. It may look like a standard screwdriver set, but it hides an impact feature. A strike from a hammer converts downward force into rotation, delivering up to 25 Newton meters to loosen stubborn screws. A hex bolster lets you apply extra leverage with a wrench when needed, and the through blade construction reduces energy loss by transferring force directly. When fasteners won't budge, this tool saves both time and effort. Number 11. Kraftform Kompakt 20R AR. It combines a ratcheting handle with 20 high-quality bits, all packed into an ergonomic design that fits easily in your hand and your tool bag. The ratchet mechanism lets you drive screws quickly in both directions without having to pull the tool off the screw, speeding up your work. The Kraftform handle provides top-notch comfort and reduces hand fatigue even during long work sessions. So if you're working in electrical panels, tight cabinets, or cramped spaces, this set delivers the durability and convenience you need to get the job done right every time. Number 10. WERA Kraftform Kompakt 400. This set is all about delivering torque with ease. It features a T-handle bit holder with a Rapidaptor designed to channel force straight through the forearm for higher tightening power with less fatigue. It comes with 16/4-inch bits that cover the most common drive profiles. Bit changes are quick and secure thanks to the Rapidaptor, and the free spinning sleeve ensures smooth guidance during screw engagement. It's great for mechanical assembly, rack installation, and structural fastening in electrical systems. This set is not insulated, so it's meant for non-live stages of work. Number 9. WERA 410 T-handle. It features a T-handle design which allows you to apply force evenly with both hands. It has a 3/8-inch square drive with a ball lock system, keeping sockets securely in place. Inside, the fine-tooth ratchet offers a tight 4.5-degree return angle, so you can make steady progress even in confined spaces. A free spinning sleeve near the head provides resistance with just finger pressure, tested to 10,000 volts and rated safe up to 1,000 volts. It's designed to work exclusively with VDE Cyclop sockets, ensuring safety for high torque electrical tasks. Number 8. Kraftform Kompakt VDE 7. While we're talking about WERA, this tool should be highlighted too. It features an insulated handle and comes with 6 interchangeable blades, including both posy drive and slotted, so you've got everything you need for a variety of tasks. The blades are great for length to reach most panel depths, and they've been rigorously tested to 10,000 volts for safety, with a safe working limit of 1,000 volts. Color-coded blades make it easy to grab the right one quickly, and the ergonomic handle keeps your hand comfortable even during those long shifts. Number 7. Rapidaptor Universal Bit Holder. It features a simple one-hand operation, letting you insert and remove bits quickly without any extra tools. The holder uses a self-locking mechanism that keeps the bits firmly in place and reduces wobbling. It also has a free spinning sleeve that helps you keep the tool steady on screws, making it easier to work precisely or when working overhead. This bit holder fits standard 1/4-inch hex bits and works with both hand tools and machines. Number 6. WERA Ball Grip. The WERA Ball Grip set redefines how torque transfers through your hand with its rounded handles that naturally fit the palm, making it easier to break loose stubborn screws without awkward wrist angles. Several drivers feature laser-etched tips that bite into screw heads, reducing cam out during high-force turns. The set includes a chisel driver with a pound-through blade and an impact cap, perfect for light chiseling or freeing seized fasteners. Many tools are VDE insulated, which makes them safe for electrical work, and everything comes in a tough belt holster for quick access, especially during ladder or lift work. Number 5. WERA Tool Check +1. Here you got all-in-one toolkit for both hand and machine. It comes in a sturdy tool check pouch with green locking clips to keep everything secure during transport. At its core is a drop-forged 1/4-inch bit ratchet with a fine 60-tooth mechanism and a small 6-degree return angle for precise work, plus easy clockwise/counterclockwise switching and an ergonomic head and lever. Everything's kept neat and tidy in a durable pouch, so you're always ready to get to work. Number 4. WERA System Impaktor. It's made to work seamlessly with impact drivers, providing maximum power transfer while reducing wear and breakage. The bit's unique design ensures a secure grip inside fasteners, minimizing slipping and improving control even during high torque applications. Its enhanced material composition extends its lifespan, saving you money by cutting down on the need for frequent replacements. Number 3. Click Torque Lock Wrenches. So the WERA Click Torque Lock Wrenches are pretty solid tools if you need precise torque control. When you tighten something to the preset torque, you'll hear an audible click letting you know it's reached the right level without going over. They're built with strong materials, so they hold up well over time. The handle is designed to be comfortable, which is great for long use without straining your hands. You also get a reversible ratchet head and a torque lock function, which makes them flexible for both tightening and loosening jobs. Number 2. WERA Zyklop Pocket. This tool will grab attention as soon as someone spots it. It combines a ratchet, screwdriver, and bit storage all in one unit. Inside, you also got a 72-tooth ratchet mechanism that offers a 5-degree return angle for tight spaces. The handle stores 12 torsion bits in a rotating magazine, always within reach. While not insulated, it's a go-to for electricians working on panel installations, rack work, and general hardware tasks. Number 1. WERA Bicycle Set. This set is a must if you are love to cruise on bike. It all comes in a super tough pouch that you can easily toss in your jersey pocket. The star of the set is the Cyclop mini bit ratchet, made from tough drop forged steel with a 60-tooth fine pitch mechanism giving you a 6-degree return angle. You also get 2 tire levers that click together so you won't lose them, and one even works as a valve extractor for scavenging valves. It's like having a professional bike shop in the palm of your hand. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.